Hello friends, so here's an Apple Watch Series 6 I purchased this time, and this is the navy blue cellular version. So to open any Apple Watch, you want to look for the arrow on the plastic and you want to start pulling it off. Now turn your box upside down and start opening the box. And now the first box we see is this blue Apple Watch 6, which we will unbox in a minute. The second box we see is this blue sports band, and you can see all the details on the back side of the packing. Now let's see what we get inside this Apple Watch box. So the first is some paperwork which will give you instructions about how to set up Apple Watch and use it, and then some more detailed information, and then this charging cable for your Apple Watch 6, and this is gonna charge your Apple Watch wirelessly. Unfortunately, you won't get this power brick in the box this time. You'll have to purchase it separately if you don't have one. Links in the description below. Now let's open this blue Apple Watch 6, and here is a beautiful Apple Watch Series 6. It is turning the display on, but if it doesn't, you can go ahead and press the side button to start pairing it with your iPhone. Now let's keep it aside and open this next box. Here you want to pull this plastic off. And then again it is showing some more Apple Watch instructions. And finally when I open it, I can see the blue sports bands. You want to choose between the two depending on your wrist size. Now let me take this out and show you the band. So as you can see, this deep navy blue color looks beautiful, looks awesome, and I feel more and more people are going to buy this band this year. And then you have the second part of the band with some random plastic on it which you want to throw away. And yeah, it also looks nice. Now to attach these bands to your Apple Watch, you want to press on this little button on the back side of the Apple Watch. But before you do that, press the side button of your Apple Watch and slide this power off toggle to turn your Apple Watch display off. Now you can attach any band on any side of the Apple Watch. You can anytime change the orientation of Apple Watch display from settings, so no need to worry. Press the button, slide the belt in, and release the button. Similarly, attach the second band. Done. Your Apple Watch is ready. Now you can press the side button and start pairing your Apple Watch with your iPhone. Separate tutorial down in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.